Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn file protection. What is file protection? Let's begin from here. File option, then go again info tab, then protect workbook. Open it and encrypt with password. Create password, then OK. Again confirm the password, then OK. Now the sheet is protected. First of close it, save, then again open. Is open and open the file protection, and it is asking the password. Enter the password and then OK. Now it is open. If you want to unprotect the file, go again in file, info option, and unprotect. Encrypt with this and delete the password. Then OK. Now your file is unprotected. Go back and close the file and again open. Now it will not ask the password. Open file protection. Now it is open without password. That is file protection.